All right, so now we are to the Contemporary Essex. This is the 4595 new floor plan that you've seen in the Ventana and the Dutch Star. Now it's also offered in the Essex. Beautiful exterior. This is the Drift and Mist. Again, you have three other contemporary options for the color, or you can go with the Artisan. Exterior, refrigerator freezer on a pull-out tray. Then we have the power pass-through tray, second power pass-through tray, and then we have the halfway manual tray and our central vac, our ATC lighting board, def tank, power management system, and cutoff switch for the chassis battery, air dryer, and fuel filter. Beautiful exterior graphics on the rear cap, the high spoiler. We've got our 360 camera rear camera, high brake light, 20,000 pound hitch with this 605 engine that you can order on the Spartan or Freightliner custom chassis. Side radiator, emergency egress door. We have the fuel fill for the DEF fill. Stinky slinky door, our wet bay compartment, hydronic or 50 amp shore power cord, hydronic heater for our furnace and hot water. Then we have the optional power washer with a deionized water, power pass-through tray, lithium batteries and inverters. And we have the door camera. So now when someone's at our front door, they ring the doorbell, they try to open up the door, we've got them on camera. To say I'm excited about this new Essex is an understatement, because look at this gorgeous coach. Like, doesn't this give you kind of a moody feel? Like, I love it. I love it from the floor. I love the different colors in that floor, a little bit of black veining with some brown and grays and taupes. Like, it's just gorgeous on that herringbone pattern. Can't say enough about it. Now we are in the Contemporary Essex, so you're going to see a different ceiling feature. And what's really going to set this apart is the fascia here. I think is beautiful. And then check out the cabinets. So they're flat, but they've got this detail in them that's just kind of understated but really elegant. I also love the furniture. I love the color of this furniture paired with the beautiful sable maple high gloss wood. Like, it's just phenomenal. This is the millstone interior, and then, like I said, sable maple wood up top. I love it. I'm not going to open all these cabinets because I've kind of done that in the other Essex and demonstrated the optional theater seating with the power headrest across from the love seat. Then we walk into the kitchen. So this is the 4595, and this distinguishing feature really of this floor plan is this additional beverage center. So you option this floor plan, you get this extra counter space here. You also can option in this extra refrigerator here, or you can have cabinets below. You get the cabinets above. So that's really the cool feature here. One of the other things that I love about this is you get that extra area of the backsplash, so you get to see that. It's just lovely. I will go through and open up the kitchen cabinets just so you can see what they are on this different floor plan. And then you can see the counter space. You've got the dishwasher that just blends in with everything else. Your pull-out garbage, your extra pull-out, flip down. Then we have the combination desk dinette. So we have the storage above. We've got the two chairs. This is going to extend out, so we can add the two extra folding chairs, and then you're going to get all this storage, because this is our first combo desk dinette that we've had today. So you've got the pull-out tray here if you want to put a printer on that. Nice drawer. Storage below the table. Filing cabinet drawer. Another drawer. Another drawer. So while you're in the dining room area, one of the things that sets the Essex apart are these gorgeous bonded windows. And with the sable maple wood, especially in the convention center here, it just looks like those windows are continuous because you hardly see that break with the wood. Gorgeous. Then we have our pantry. Look how nice and big that pantry is with the pull-out shelves. The Bosch refrigerator freezer. It's massive. And a second pantry. It's got a wardrobe bar, so if you want to take those out and make it wardrobe. And then you've got this drawer, a big drawer at the bottom, so you can put your bigger appliances in there if you want. Our midship bathroom. Very similar to what we saw in the other bathroom, so I'm just going to let you peek in there. But look how gorgeous that backsplash, sink, countertop. All right, look at this interior package with this bedroom. Like, I love the black leather headboard there with this dark sable. Like, again, I think it's gorgeous. You'll notice the accent lighting next to the bed. Love the new bedding packages. We've got all the storage, our TV, and more storage here. Just lovely. And then as we come into the master bathroom, we've got the washer and dryer Splendid. When I close this privacy door, I'm going to have that full mirror. As I walk up, I just step up a little here. I'm going to go into the shower. Gorgeous shower. Look at that tile. I love it. Beautiful subway tile done on the vertical. Beautiful tile there at the bottom. We have our flip down seat, fixed and handheld. Like, just, it's gorgeous. And I love the sable with this kind of just brushed, I wouldn't say it's gold, maybe a little bit of rose gold. It's beautiful. Towel hook, emergency egress door, cedar lined closet, wardrobe, and safe. Beautiful vanity area here with the vessel sinks. We've got our medicine cabinet with medicine cabinet all behind these beautiful mirrors. And then we've got all this storage. And then more storage. Look at the depth of those drawers and length. Cedar lined wardrobe and adjustable shelves.